A man and his wife left Africa and moved to United States to start a new life. They had 3 children together and worked very hard to build a better future for their family. Life was not easy at first, but little by little, things became better. The man got a job and the family was living a comfortable life. The wife trusted her husband very much. She believed they were happy together. She stayed home most of the time to take care of the children while the man went to work every day. But after some years, the man changed without telling his wife. He started having an affair with another woman. He lied to both women and lived a double life. After some time, he secretly married the new woman. He rented a house for her in another part of the city, far away from his first family. The man became very careful with his secret. When he stayed with his first wife and children, he acted like a good husband and father. Then, when he said he was going to work, he would spend time with the second wife in a state. Sometimes stay overnight there. He continued this life for many months. The first wife noticed a strange thing. Her husband was coming home late very often. Sometimes he smelled different and sometimes he looked nervous when she asked simple questions, but she still trusted him because they had suffered together and built their family together. The second wife also knew nothing. She knew nothing. She believed the man truly loved her and thought she was the only woman in his life. The man never told her about his first wife or children. One evening, the man left his first home again. He told his wife he had extra work to do, but this time the wife decided to follow him quietly. Her heart was beating fast because she wanted to understand why her husband always sneaked out at night. She followed his car through the street until it stopped in front of a small house. The wife hid nearby it and watched carefully. Then she saw her husband walk into the house like he belonged there. Her heart broke immediately. After waiting a few minutes, she gathered courage and walked to the door. She knocked hard. Inside the house, the second wife hurried to the door, wondering who could be visiting at the time of the night. When she opened the door, she saw another woman standing there with tears in her eyes. The first wife asked angrily, "Where is the man who just entered this house?" The second wife looked confused and answered, "My husband is inside." The first wife was shocked. "Your husband?" she asked. "Yes," the woman replied proudly, "He is my husband." The first wife looked directly into her eyes and said slowly, "No, he is my husband. I have 3 children with him." At that moment, both women became silent. The second wife could not believe what she was hearing. Her hand started shaking. She turned around and looked toward the room where the man was hiding. The man finally came out slowly, unable to speak. Both women stared at him with pain, anger, and disappointment. His lies had finally caught up with him. The 2 women realized they had both been betrayed by the same man. One woman lost trust after many years of marriage, while the other discovered that her whole relationship was built on lies. Now the question is, if you were one of these women, what would you do at that moment?